Hey, it's Gina from WTI. If you love working out, whether that's CrossFit, HIIT, Tabata, or something else that requires timing, then you absolutely need a portable gym timer. Having the right equipment makes all the difference in getting a good workout. This SLEVIO gym timer has really helped to optimize the time that we have to work out. In the past, we were using an app on our phone, and it was really inconvenient to have to run over and stop and start time. Now we simply choose whatever setting we want for the type of exercise that we're doing, press play, and it does the work for us. We especially like the countdown on the Tabata settings because it gives you a 3-second warning when your rest is about to end or your 20 seconds of exercise. And I find that so helpful because it really gives me the push to keep going strong until the end. Another great thing about this is how small it is and that it's magnetic. We have an at-home gym that's in the process of being completed, and being able to move this around to different areas has been so helpful. But if you're someone who likes to go to the gym, this is so small and sleek, you can just put it right in your gym bag, and then because it's magnetic, you can move it around to whatever piece of equipment that you're using. I can't believe how easy this is to use. It should be considered an essential part of your gym equipment, and that's my point of view.